Alright, today we are going to do a review and an install and an unboxing of this little 12 volt DC to DC battery charger. So, open it up. It's this nice little compact unit, got 4 screws with it to help install it. And it's packed in here with foam. That's pretty nice. There's a little instruction manual that talks about the type of charging. It'll charge every battery on the planet: lithium ion, AMGs, lead acid, etc., etc. It's a fairly simple looking product. We've got a switch to turn it on, indicator lights, we have voltages in and voltages out. So what I'm going to do is install this on my new trailer, and I'm going to have 2 big batteries on the outside, and then this will be charged with a cable that comes from the engine. So while the trailer's driving down the road, it'll be able to charge, and this will control overcharging the batteries, heating the batteries, etc., etc. It just gives you peace of mind and security. And so I wanted to say thank you to the company Enerkey for sending me the product so I can do an install and an evaluation. I certainly appreciate that. So let's get to work on making a battery box and installing it. Right, check this out. This is awesome. Got our batteries connected together. Red, red, black, black, positive. They're in parallel. And then we have our charger mounted up here on the wall. I got negative to positive going out to the batteries, and I've double checked everything. This is out, and this is a switch. It's going to be nice and convenient right on top. Turn it on and off. All I need to do is run this cable out through the trailer firewall up to the truck, and we're ready to go. This is all right. Here we are working on our install. We have this 20 amp 10 AWG wire, and we just ran it through the floor over here, and we're going to run it inside this box, and then we're going to put 2 connectors on it, connect it to our battery charger, and then the other end is going to have solar MC4 connectors on it, which will then run to the truck's alternator. Okay, now we have proper operation. If you go look in here, you can see the green light blinking. That means we're charging. And you can hear my truck in the background. So my full-blown Cummins truck is providing enough power to charge. So these things will get charged as we run down the road. So with that, I'm happy. This is awesome. I need to get a couple more fuses, and I'm going to install those inline and outline, and a switch. But for testing purposes, I got... Alright, now we've got the install done, and we've got it done safely. We have these 2 50 amp switch, fuse, breakers, circuit breakers in here, one on the input of our charge controller and one on the output from the charge controller. And so I'm pretty happy with them. I can turn the circuit off if needed, or run it. Alright, so here's another thing I'm testing, is in the charge mode, I have 14.3 volts coming out of the charger, and that's exactly what we need to charge these 2 nice big marine batteries.